Every prosthetic limb begins with advanced medical silicone.
Each material batch must meet strict medical standards.
Each material batch must meet strict medical standards. Precision mixing prepares silicone for molding.
The silicone reaches the perfect molding temperature.
Highly detailed molds shape the prosthetic limbs.
Highly detailed molds shape the prosthetic limbs.
Fresh silicone molds travel to the curing chamber. Automation ensures safe handling of delicate molds. Heat transforms liquid silicone into flexible prosthetic form. Controlled heat perfects the silicone structure.
Cooling stabilizes the newly formed prosthetic limbs.
The lifelike prosthetic limb emerges from the mold. The prosthetic limbs move toward precision finishing. This advanced facility produces lifelike artificial limbs. Strict hygiene protects medical-grade production.
This is where silicone limbs are refined into realistic prosthetics.
Precision trimming shapes the final prosthetic form.
Smoothing creates natural skin-like surfaces.
Hand-painted details bring the prosthetic limb to life.
The prosthetic limbs move toward final mechanical assembly.
Each prosthetic limb begins with careful cleaning.
Ultrasonic cleaning ensures medical-grade hygiene.
Controlled airflow prepares the limbs for inspection.
Detailed inspection ensures lifelike quality.
Advanced scanning confirms anatomical precision. Calibration ensures smooth and controlled movement. The prosthetic limb prepares for mechanical integration.
Advanced mechanical joints give prosthetic limbs movement.
The internal frame provides strength and stability. Precision mechanisms restore natural finger motion.
Sorting prepares each prosthetic limb for assembly. The attachment socket connects the prosthetic to the user.
Early motion tests confirm functional mechanics.
The prosthetic limbs enter the advanced technology stage.
Microsensors allow prosthetic limbs to detect movement.
Precision wiring connects sensors to movement systems.
A powerful microprocessor controls prosthetic movement.
The battery powers the intelligent prosthetic system.
Motorized systems replicate natural hand movement.
Simulated walking ensures realistic motion performance.
The prosthetic limbs enter automated precision inspection. Laser scanners verify the precision of every prosthetic limb. Digital systems analyze every movement and dimension. Automated stress tests ensure long-term durability. Pressure calibration enables realistic grip control. Advanced simulations replicate real human motion. Automation perfects the lifelike silicone finish. The prosthetic limbs advance to final finishing. Fine detailing brings lifelike realism to prosthetic limbs. Layered pigments create natural skin tones. Hand-painted veins complete the lifelike appearance.
Protective layers preserve the prosthetic finish.
Controlled heat finalizes the prosthetic surface.
Every prosthetic limb must pass cosmetic inspection.
The completed prosthetic limbs move toward final quality testing.
Every prosthetic limb undergoes strict quality testing.
Surface inspection ensures flawless prosthetic appearance. Mechanical testing confirms joint durability. Grip tests verify functional performance. Digital scanning confirms anatomical precision.
Only perfect prosthetic limbs move to shipping. The finished prosthetics prepare for delivery.
The prosthetic limbs are prepared for sterile packaging.
Vacuum sealing protects the prosthetic limb during transport. Each prosthetic limb receives its medical identification. Cartons secure the prosthetic limbs for shipment.
Automation prepares shipments for global delivery.
The finished prosthetics await delivery.
Shipments prepare to leave the factory. Prosthetic limbs begin their journey to patients worldwide.
And this is how modern factories produce artificial hands and legs from start to finish.
Precision manufacturing transforms lives worldwide. Technology and craftsmanship restore human movement.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.